It is not an understatement that the Russian invasion of Ukraine in February 2022 shook Western political and military structures and created a new sense of urgency over European security questions. The majority of that focus has been on NATO, as the Ukraine war has led to increased defense spending across all NATO countries, with 23 of the 32 countries meeting the defense expenditure target of 2% of GDP. This has resulted in NATO defense budgets increasing from $1.18 trillion in 2021, the last full year before the Russian invasion of Ukraine, to a record $1.47 trillion in 2024, an increase of 24.6%. The biggest shift in European attitudes towards defense spending occurred when traditionally neutral European powers like Finland and Sweden abandoned their neutrality and joined NATO.